Hey TikTok enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick guide on how to easily update your TikTok app on your iPhone. To begin, open up the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, use the search bar to look for TikTok. Once you find it in the search results, tap on it. Now, look for the button next to TikTok. If it says, Update, you're in luck. Tap on it to get the latest version of the TikTok app. In case the button next to TikTok says, Open, it might still be a new technical update. If you're facing issues with your TikTok app, like glitches or errors, you might want to force reinstall TikTok from scratch. Head over to your iPhone settings, then navigate to General, and select iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find TikTok. To start fresh, tap on Offload app. This will remove TikTok's core data from your device while keeping your documents and data safe. If you want to completely start over, tap Delete app. This will reinstall TikTok from scratch, which can resolve any errors or glitches. Don't worry, your login and password information will still be there. And there you have it, a full guide on how to update TikTok on your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.